In FieldEx, preventive maintenance help you stop problems before they happen. Instead of waiting for equipment to break down, you can set up recurring schedules like monthly inspections, quarterly servicing, or annual overhauls. Each schedule is linked to the assets you manage. You can even connect one schedule to a bulk set of assets under a customer contract, so instead of creating separate plans, all of that customer's assets follow the same routine automatically. You can also set reminders at different time frames, an early notice before the due date, a follow-up closer to the deadline, and alerts if the job becomes overdue. FieldEx then generates the job orders at the right time, assigns them to your team, and notifies the right people. Spare parts can be linked too, so everything is ready before the job even starts. As jobs are completed, FieldEx tracks the full service history, giving you clear visibility of what was done and what's coming up. With preventive maintenance in FieldEx, you reduce downtime, extend asset life, and keep operations running smoothly.